So we went ahead and we had opened up the motor that was in here. We found it was all full of milkshake and water, so it was no good. Yeah, I'm here. Okay, cool. Let me open the door for you. So walking through here, so we're going to get this all set up right here, finish the dash, but we have the engine in right now. We want to show that with the engine that we put in here, we completely rebuilt it. New pistons, new lifters, new camshaft, all available from Caddy Daddy. Even including this is the Carter AFB carburetor that is the appropriate one for the 64, as well as things that we have our new distributor and points that we can put on there. In addition, we have this high output alternator, which is an upgrade because we want to make this thing drivable.
We have put on the correct fan spacer. If anybody needs a pulley, we have the correct pulleys and all the belts that are needed to do the motor. We have brand new fuel pumps in stock and a lot more. Just check out caddydaddy.com for anything you need.
It's so great to be able to put this together and find it, and we've got the stuff. And if you have any questions, please do follow us, ask questions. We look forward. Thank you for following us.
Yeah, I really appreciate it.